Okay. Hey everyone. It's been a hot minute. I I got busy, so I've got a bunch of Spark PRs that I reviewed. That if other people haven't merged them, I should probably merge. So that's what we're gonna do. Um, yeah, yeah, and then later on tonight, um, I'm going to do some stuff on buy health insurance that I think should be fun. So I'll do that in the evening though. But yeah, yeah, yeah. It should be interesting. Um, okay, so let's go ahead. We're gonna go. Um, and take a look. So let's go pull requests. Is there an easy way to view the ones that I have looked at? I mean, I've got my unread notifications. Narrow that down to Spark PRs. Okay. Uh, there we go. There we go. Okay. Oh, it looks like these may have all gotten merged. I got busy with life. If that's the case, then we will start screwing around with our other stuff. Um, I don't really have strong opinions about that one. Those opinions about hmm. 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 That's my own PR. I'd like to merge it if no one's complained about it yet, so that's a possibility. Like there was a new Spark Python PR that I wanted to merge. Let's go take a look. See what we can find. Some Python. Those. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so this one, I'm pretty sure we can just start right ahead with the merge. So that'll be great. Um, okay. Uh, do, do, hmm. Okay, so this is from Devin. What are we going to do? So this looks fine. Everyone's approved it. Yeah. Okay. Everyone approves. This is fantastic. Now we can go ahead and merge it. So let's go ahead and do that. So Oh, wait. That's weird. Why is it not updating? Huh. Like, I'm used to somewhat of a delay over here, but there shouldn't be that much of a delay over here. What's going on? Screen? Why are you not working, screen? Okay, there we go. Now, there we go. Okay, I don't know why it stopped updating, but that's fine. Merge Spark PR. Yeehaw. Okay. Yeah, I'll do my Jira setting manually, and then we go ahead and grab our PR number here. Cool, that looks fine. We would like to merge this. Seven. Oh, interesting. Hmm. No. Okay. I want this signed off by just because. Actually, I guess I'd already. Well, yeah. Okay. My signed off by is. It does change around a fair amount. Okay, that's fine then. We will do that. Seven. And we do not want to backport this. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to go and find the Jira. Jira. I have to log in. I'm going to go to this one. And then this. And then, oh, okay. Also, let's go. This, okay. Let's do current for start filter. And then let's go ahead. Can I assign this to? Damn it. Okay. There's some random crap I have to do to make it so that I do Devon. Which is fine. So then, I feel like I've done this before. Oh, hey! I mean, I'd like to go to Brazil. Yay! Fantastic. Let me, I can go take a look on LinkedIn, see if there's a bound connection request. Do, 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 do. I don't need a message. Maybe it's I don't know.
Are you on a meeting?
Oh, I'm streaming.
Hi, streaming people.
Streaming Spark. Assigning a ticket to yeah, let me assign the ticket to, well, let me figure out, there we go. It's user and position roles, and then we have to add Devin to this. Add users to role. Devin Peterson H. There we go. Role is just going to be, I guess, contributors 1. That sounds like a group. You can go back over here. And we can assign this to. Okay, still won't let me assign it to Devin. Maybe if we reload. Why is it not working? Big computers. Okay, let's try. Yeah, that's Devin. And then I guess we can assign to developers. Right. And then we can go back here and we can try and assign it to Devin. Huzzah! There we go. Okay. Thanks for your contribution, Devin. Yay, fantastic. Assign. And then resolve issue. And it's assigned, and it's going to be fixed in 4.2. Got 0. Okay, resolve. Fantastic. Great success. Okay. Let's keep going. Where did this one leave off? Okay. Okay, pull request builder failed. We should figure out why it failed. See test results. Kubernetes? That doesn't make sense, but okay. Client streaming query suite. Yeah, that seems probably unrelated, but this is long enough ago that I'm not 100% confident. So, let's go. And then we'll check out this branch that I'm working on. And we will merge master in. And then we'll push it. And then CI will run again. We'll see. Okay, so LinkedIn won't let her send message. Yeah, I guess email me. It's just holden.caro@gmail.com. Okay, cool. This one, no complaints since I said I was going to merge it, but it has been a hot minute, so we should get it to run in CI again. Get master, and then I did have a note about the one thing I was going to change, which is SQL conf. So let's go ahead, bring that over. And it's going to be this one, 80% sure. Avoid double filter eval. Okay, and this is going to be version 4.2. Even though it is a regression fix, it's like a regression that's existed for a long time. Okay, so if assuming this passes CI, I'll merge it. I don't know if it's probably not gonna pass CI during the course of the stream. CI takes a while. I don't love this PR, so we're gonna skip it for now. Well, actually, no. We should actually. Okay. Let's see here. So they say they're not overwriting it, but from what I remember, they were. Um. So. Okay. So nonetheless, changing a user specified value. Uh, don't, uh, they don't, they don't like, which I don't like. Even if it's and yeah, cool. Cool. Submit. Okay. So this is I don't love this PR, but it makes some sense if the user doesn't specify anything. But if the user does specify things, I think we should um, not change the values that the user specified here. Okay, when task scheduler impl yeah, okay. Yeah. I mean, I'm broadly okay with this logic. Okay. If we can't directly use course, grant scheduler backends executor pending to remove should be more better. But it seems we can't. Why can't we? Yeah. Wait, why not? Why can't we use it? Okay. Ah. Okay. Force screen. So yeah, wait. So I still don't. Why is executor busy can't be extended? Okay, I still don't. I still don't understand the. Okay, still don't know why we can't do the thing. The comment doesn't seem related, but it's hard to say. Mr. Shield, can you read this? Can you put the test? Cool. Awesome. Cool. Yeah. Cool. I think uh I think you found it useful. Find it useful and great. And you should add it to your local plugins. Add to your local plugins. Not against this per se. Another emitter wants this. That's great. But not seeing the demand for it. The demand for it. Cool. They're just like, hey, I'm not gonna. Yeah, this is a cool suggestion, but we're probably not gonna do it. Okay. Okay. These conversations, they look like they're ongoing. They're not going to be resolved in the lead up immediately before um, Thanksgiving. So we're not going to try and merge that. Cool. I like that. This one might actually be something we get to merge. Let's go take a look. Or maybe. Who else has done arrow stuff? I would love to get a second set of eyes on this one, really. Okay. I mean, yeah, so I think this one. Okay. So this one generally looks good. I just want a second opinion here. Because I haven't done the arrow stuff lately. Especially haven't done any arrow structure streaming stuff. Let's see. Who might I want to say Brian Cutler would be the person. I like this overall. Love a second look. Maybe Brian Cutler might have some time. Cool. See. Okay. They want a different name. Could be equal to is fatal. Um, um, I don't get what this person wants or is doing with this. Okay. Is fatal error. I don't know what they're doing, which is why I want a more descriptive name. This test changed, so I don't really, there's no rush on it. Okay, well, no, we should try and, okay. Okay. Let's make sure I understand. Let's, try and understand more. Error in thread pool. Uh, this check if okay, so the old logic, assert is fatal. So that would have to be true. So these two things would have to be. I mean, so this is, oh, that's awesome. There's not a good first issue tag, unfortunately. I would say looking in Python is probably the place where I would start. It's a little bit easier. Um, yeah, that would be where I would start. Probably the pandas implementation area, if you know pandas. There's a lot of stuff to do there, so that'd be probably a good place to start. I'm stoked you're interested in contributing. That's amazing. That is amazing. I'm so stoked. That's awesome. That's awesome. Okay. So this tech is, so the usage of this is to see if an error is a fatal error. Or not, depending on the Boolean flag. Right? Should be fatal error true. Makes a bit more sense to me from a naming point of view. Okay. Because like this just that does not make a huge amount of sense to me. But and I like if it takes me this long to read a piece of code, I don't want to read it. Like especially something that's small. Okay. Yeah. Cool. They dismissed all of my comments. Did they fix it? Let's go see if they fix it. Otherwise, I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna be kind of annoyed about that. Okay. A missing tungsten iterator will call process input to train construction. Okay. So what did they change? And does this make any sense? And wait, what time is it? Oh, it's after 5. Stop doing day job stuff in like 4 minutes. I'm really stoked. Okay. Aggregate time. This still doesn't. What? Okay, the aggregation iterator. Yeah. Okay. This makes more sense to me. This does indeed make more sense to me. Yeah, I'm glad you find it useful. Okay, so this actually looks reasonable to me. This this does look kind of reasonable to me. Um, okay, yeah. So let's go ahead. Does this make sense? I mean, honestly, maybe maybe this makes more sense inside of next instead of process the current group. Well, I mean this okay. This makes more sense to me. Although maybe it needs to go inside of next, depending on how expensive the call is to. Although if this is just tracking the aggregation time, then okay, yeah. Yeah, okay. This looks reasonable to me. Um, but, but, uh, um, so this looks reasonable to me, and yeah, cool. Um, awesome. Oh, cool. This one got merged. That's super great. Oh, I'm so stoked. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Sad I didn't get a chance to merge it, but Dongjun merged it, former coworker, great person. Yeah, cool, good. This one looks much better though from before. This one, so I don't have the context with Yarn as of late, so oh, this one looks interesting, but we're not gonna merge it. Okay. Um, okay. No, I feel like we're talking past each other. This developer and myself. I more um if you have examples of people consuming relocated dependency, relocated dependency, and a non-relocated dependency. Um, Conversions doesn't have to be Spark. Spark will know how much work we are asking Iceberg folks to do by uh, um, let's actually let's see. I have some thoughts as well. Um, cool. Okay. Did I sign off on this? No, not yet. What did I say about it? Show result. Ah, yes. Okay. So my concern was essentially just like, well, you're doing things that seem wrong. Like we have a nice way to format stuff. You should use a nice way to format stuff. Fantastic. And there we are. Okay. Um, this looks generally reasonable to me. Yeah, I think I'm okay with that. This PR looks fine, so we can approve it. Cool. Yeah, they're doing the thing that I asked them to do, so it's exciting. Ad review. Uh, just once you say LGTM, it's really hard to take it back, so just won't go through one last time. Make sure that my MDC concerns were addressed. We've got boot, init, and finish. Boot, init, and finish. Okay, now we've got batches as well. Cool. Okay, then yeah, they did the thing I wanted to do. You, my friend, are a spammer. I don't know how to deal with that. Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay, open question. It sounds like they're working on it, so we won't get in the way. Okay. Yeah, I don't like this one. Uh, Local file system with arrow formats. Save info. Wait, so there was a thing where I said a thing and then they essentially just said, no, no, no. Don't you worry, my friend. It's only used in arrow. Well, like, is this actually private? Like, reader writer utils, I think this is public. So, not, oh, okay, that's private. Okay. Private inside of utils. So then, yeah, load is public, and that's taking a load data frame, which now does from arrow, right? Um, Although, okay, FP growth model reader extends save impl. Yeah, isn't this? Yeah, it seems like it's a public API which is going to assist arrow records, which arrow is not designed for. Let's double check that. Okay, let's go over to FP growth. Scala. Okay, that's the model writer, which extends ML writer. Okay. Writer, ML writer is public through write. I love it. Right. The name minus 0.09. Is that too harsh, or should I go -1? Okay, let's go take a look. Because I left a comment on this, right? And I think I was told essentially I'm being crazy. Or not I'm being crazy. Like, I am concerns are not reasonable. Where okay, although it looks like I guess they force push this. Ah, FP growth. So this one over here. Okay. Yeah, this is the one where I said like no. The PR to apply the yeah. Doot doot doot. I am okay. I am minus 0.9 on this for the same reason as doot. We're exposing interface write out and unstable file format. Right? Am I being crazy? Um, save impl is public. Save data frame. Okay, actually no, here we use Parquet. Wait. What? Wait. Okay. Local saving mode state. Okay. That is local saving mode state. Yeah, so take a look at rewrite. See where that's set to true. ML util rewrite Scala local saving mode. Okay. It's called save to local. It's public anywhere. mlwriter.java. Save to local. ML. Oh no, that's a target. Yeah. Okay. Well, I am curious. Okay. Looking at the generic code. Yeah. It's public. Don't. No. Okay. Just not. Okay. So if save to local is never used. Okay. If save to local, if okay. So if we have deets set to true, it will write out an arrow file, which is not stable format. Um, does look like kernel, kernel methods. But those look, that's true, right? Uh, okay. Okay. There's only says true internal methods, which it's fine, which makes this okay. Uh, albeit, which makes this okay. Yeah, I guess that's the only place it's called. Except here we go. But okay, looking um looking in the PySpark example, docstrings, I see it's gonna be my.py. Okay. This is the one. Save to local. I see. We tell people use this API. In internal methods. In so I name minus 0.9. Yeah. Okay. That's just like, hey, if we tell people to use these methods, we should produce things that are reasonable. Cool. This one's done. 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 And I'm like 90% sure that my PRs are not going to have had a chance to finish running through CI for me to be able to merge them. But we will just take a quick look on the off chance that in my several months away, yeah, no one made Spark take less than 1 hour to run CI. So that's great. I'm going to wrap up, and then for the rest of the evening, I'm going to be working on Fight Health Insurance, and we may or may not stream some of that. Okay, thanks, y'all.